Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting units and grid. This ensures modeling scales correctly. Once set, import reference images or CAD files and lock those layers so you never move them accidentally. Then start drawing the primary curves, lines, polylines, arcs, using OSNAP for exact snaps. These curves form the backbone of your model. Make sure they are clean without overlaps. If something looks off, hide unnecessary layers to focus on just the core geometry before moving on. Once your curves are organized, build surfaces. Use Sweep 1 for single-rail shapes, Sweep 2 for two-rail, and Loft for transitional forms. Make sure to patch or extend to fill small gaps, and analyze continuity with zebra or curvature to catch unwanted kinks. After surfaces look right, join edges and run Boolean union to create solids. Add fillet, edge, or chamfer for realistic corners. Keep checking object properties and normals, because reversed normals will ruin later operations. To finish, inspect scale and units one last time, then export to the appropriate format. SDL for 3D printing, IGES or STEP for CAD exchange, OBJ for rendering. Mesh repair tools, weld, reduce, remove non-manifold, prepare files for fabrication. If something goes wrong, select problematic geometry with cell bad objects, then rebuild edges or extract SRF to isolate and repair. One key tip: if Booleans fail, duplicate the parts, run intersect to find overlaps, then trim and rejoin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.